We've been talking about Spirit of Place and how it informs us as songwriters. We're so fortunate to live in Sonoma County, which is a beautiful county. Absolutely. Love the oak forestation on the hills. And we had some fires come through Sonoma that really just changed the heart of the writing for a given part for me, for this song. Driving out Mark West Springs Road and seeing some of the burned out, forest and some of the homes out there just really impacted me. And this song came out. It's called Let It Rain. 2, 3, 4. Birds of a feather, first light came dawning, set flame on the mountaintop, torching the morning. But it wasn't the sparrow made this scorching daybreak, not the jay or the mockingbird or a great bird of prey. It was you and I on our carbon-rich ride. Let it rain hard and wild, like an animal river. Let it roll with the lifeblood we'll need to deliver. Thunder west of the great divide, where the waterfall inspires how we live and compromise to keep out raging fires. Let it rain. Crazy old coyote ran a flame in the ditch. Everything I knew burned down but a chimney of brick. But it wasn't coyote made the oak forest dry, not the deer in the wood who watched as we cried. It was you and I turned the heater on high. Hard and wild, like an animal river. Let it roll with the light, but we'll need to deliver. Thunder west of the great divide, where the waterfalls inspire how we live and compromise to keep out raging fires. Let it rain. Snake in the grass came and burned down my home. Like a fish on dry land, I'm out all alone. But it wasn't the serpent with fiery tongue leaping, destroyed our precious photographs, the memories we're keeping. The wicked winds, the orange skies, we gathered to escape. So many things are left behind that cannot be weighed. A string of days so hot and dry, what we've done is what you see. Oil from antiquity fuels the air that we breathe. All along it was you and I, the sun in